Are you tired of struggling to clean those hard-to-reach spots on your wheels and rims? Say goodbye to grime and hello to sparkling clean wheels with the YIJINSHENG Premium Wheel Brush. This 17-inch long brush is designed to effortlessly tackle dirt and debris in even the tightest spaces, thanks to its flexible and bendable design. What sets this brush apart is its versatility. It's not just for cars, it's perfect for trucks, motorcycles, bicycles, RVs, boats, and more. Whether you're cleaning wheels, rims, spokes, grills, engine bays, exhaust tips, or bumpers, this brush has got you covered. But what about the bristles? Fear not. The super soft bristles are tough on grime but gentle on your wheels and paint, ensuring a scratch-free cleaning experience every time. Plus, the soft plastic handle and knuckle guard provide extra protection for your hands and wheels. And let's not forget about durability. Made from high-quality materials, this brush is built to last. It's reusable, so you can enjoy its cleaning power time and time again. So why wait? Upgrade your wheel cleaning game with the YIJINSHENG Premium Wheel Brush. Your wheels will thank you. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.